Assalamualaikum. Hello. My name is Anis Nur Syafiqah binti Abdul Wahab, and I will be representing my team for our video for business plan group project. So first of all, let me introduce our product, which is Kukum Sobek ice cream, and our primary activity of our business is selling homemade ice cream made from cucumber and soda. So, how do you think the idea of selling Kukum Sobek came from? The recipe is actually from Firdaus family. When we first tasted it, we knew this is the best combination of delicious and healthy ingredients that will catch everyone's attention. So, we came out with the idea to start selling it for our campus, and the response was really good. And that is why Kukum Sobek Sdn Bhd is here today. It was established on 3rd March 2021. We started the journey of the business with a capital of 16,000, which was contributed by 5 partners. Hence, our form of business is partnership. Now, let me introduce the other partners of our company. First, Syamimi binti Jamal as marketing manager, Wan Nur Hasniza Wan Nijamuddin as financial manager, Nur Aiman Afiqah as management and production manager, Ahmad Firdaus as human resource manager, and me as managing director. Each of us has our own tasks and responsibilities to ensure the growth of our company in the future. We are also planning to hire 1 sales assistant and 2 general workers to help smoothen our business. Moving on to the vision of our company, we aspire to plan a road for the growth of our business by focusing on all of the key values such as accountability, integrity, passion, and quality. Therefore, in order to achieve our vision, we have created a mission which is to provide our customers with the enjoyment and ultimate ice cream experience, to emphasize a healthy lifestyle in the community with a healthy snack that is edible to walks of life regardless of age and rank. Thus, our slogan, Kukum Sobek, a taste of heaven on earth. Now, let me introduce the logo of our company and the meaning behind of every details. First of all, we choose our primary color as green, not only to represent the color of our main ingredients, which is the cucumber, but also to provide ultimate calmness to the every bites of the ice cream. The second one is the word Kukum Sobek in the logo is actually improvised from the word of cucumber and soda. The circle surrounding the ice cream symbolize the harmony and unity, which the values that we hold on as a team. And last but not least, the ice cream and cucumber, which also represents our product and the main ingredients in it. Now, let's put forward to the product. We have produced a delicious and all-natural organic ice cream full of refreshing taste of fresh cucumbers added with soda flavoring. Do you think that I am too overwhelmed with all the praises and all? Actually, no. Kukum Sobek guarantees a maximum and super thirst-quenching taste that will definitely tickle your taste buds. Taste might be the most important factor of people's choices, but people nowadays are very concerned about their healthy lifestyle. To merge both of the trends, this is where Kukum Sobek ice cream came to the rescue. It is formulated from fresh cucumbers and healthy source of nutrients such as vitamin K, antioxidants, and inflammatory flavonol called fisetin that promotes brain health. Now that it's healthy, people, especially parents, will no longer need to worry if their kids avoid from having any vegetables, because there is no in the world kids that are not loving their ice cream snacks. Agree? Now, if I listed all of our competitors, you will definitely know right away what makes them really special. Our competitors came from well-known and established companies such as Nestle, Walls Ice Cream, and even Baskin Robbins. They produce a high quality and wide distribution due to the wide distribution channel. Of course, good values in them is what made them today, right? So we believe those qualities are very important in order for the growth of our company too. So we gotta learn from the best. This is why we came out with the idea of bringing a healthier options in our snacks. Nowadays, locals eating patterns are shifting, and we support healthy food trends in Malaysia in line with our mission, which is to emphasize a healthy lifestyle in the community to all walks of life, regardless age and rank. Moving on to the target of the market, we target everyone around with all ranges of age, especially who are living and working around campus Tembela University Sultan Zainal Abidin. These people includes lecturers, staff and students of the universities. Not to forget everyone outside of the campus, especially families with kids that live in the surrounding area. We only targeted everyone around our base, which is the Kukum Sobek shop at Kampung Pengkalang Kubo, since our product is packed and sold from there. In future, we are also planning to open franchise so that we can share the taste with more people. As I mentioned earlier in the video, we started our business with our own equity, but it is also supported and financed through a loan. The overall project implementation will cost around 16,320 ringgit by taking into account every equipment used and working capital per month. In terms of repayment, there will be no problem, and if seen from the point of view of the company's revenue outlook and benefits, our company is able to gain and cover all the company's obligations without any doubts. For marketing purposes, we use digital marketing to promote our business to engage more customers. We utilize discount, quality deals, coupons, and direct marketing as our promotional tool from time to time. We are also planning to have a website page to keep our customers in the loop with all promotions and exciting updates about our business. To conclude this video, we believe that everyone in this project plays an important role in making our business successful. We have also learned the importance of business plan as a strategic tool to help us plan a business better. Other than considering the best idea to produce or a product, but we also must come to an understanding that we also need to cater all of the needs and interests of our customer, because customers is our biggest asset to the company's success. We really hope that Kukum Sobek Sedang Berhad will grow progressively to be the best in Malaysia and to compete with all the international brands in the future. Before we end this video, we would like to thank to Professor Mardia, Dr. Nalini for teaching and guiding us throughout the whole semester until we managed to submit this assignment successfully. Thank you so much, Doctor. And thank you too for watching. Bye-bye.